Hello TCPEA members, this is Wes Hickey, Executive Director. In this brief video I want to look at a recent article that looks at how principals really drive school improvement, and then kind of talk about a few things upcoming for TCPEA. So a recent article came out, and this is a fairly in-depth study that looked at how principals really drive school improvement, and it's really not a surprise if you've worked in schools for a long time. And what they really said is that the culture you develop means a lot. The expectations that come across, the way that you treat teachers and those kind of things, all incredibly important. And we're currently undergoing a paradigm shift in Texas in which we're focusing very heavily on instructional coaching as an important part of instructional leadership. Now, of course, instructional leadership can mean almost anything, and it can include development of a culture, but a lot of stuff we're doing right now really looks at curriculum issues and instructional issues and those kind of things, and the coaching that goes along with it. This study said actually that the culture that is developed by the principal is much more important than dabbling in any of the curriculum issues. And if you've been there, you know it's true. I've recently done a lot of work on a campus, and the issues had nothing to do with the instructional coaching. It had to do with support structures in place, the way in which discipline was handled, the way in which teachers felt like they were a part of an overall team. Basically, it was the culture. Now, here is the important area. Despite the pushes, there's nothing wrong with instructional coaching and that type of thing, nothing at all. But we also cannot forget the importance within our classes to make sure that our students go out and are able to truly lead and create the organizational change that's going to impact student achievement. And oftentimes there's going to be issues right there that are outside of the current emphasis at TEA. In addition, I want to make sure that everybody's aware that the proposals are being accepted for the Graduate Research Exchange. They're due by August 10th. A great opportunity for your students to go in, share their studies with peers from other institutions, and it is a good first step to really trying to develop that proposal to be the best it can be. And in addition, School Leadership Review, by the way, is also accepting manuscripts until the end of July. So if you have anything out there, be sure and get it to Scott Bailey before that date. And remember to inspire and educate, be an architect for human potential.